Yo guys, so you found this video on YouTube because you're searching for a working method on how to get free fetch rewards points, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I've managed to find a working method to get 100,000 points on fetch for free, and it is super easy. It uses a redeemable code that you can enter within the app. If you don't know how to enter a code into the Fetch app, you can simply search it on Google and basically search how to enter a code. But it is super simple, guys. There is a redeem code section within the app, and I'm going to show you a brand new working promo code that's going to provide you with 100,000 Fetch rewards points for completely free. So you need to use a mobile phone and open up an internet browser. I'm sure if you're using the Fetch app, you have a working mobile phone, and you've got to go ahead to the following website, guys. www, make sure you type it correctly, robotcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly, guys. Robot Coupons. This is specifically a coupon code website, but they do have tons of other pages on here. As I mentioned, they have, of course, the Fetch rewards points code. So yeah, you can literally scroll down and find the free Fetch rewards points. Or you can go to the top of the page here and search for Fetch. Here we go. Just navigate your way to this screen. And as I mentioned, you can get a code for 100,000 free Fetch rewards points. And if you know Fetch rewards, you will know 100,000 points would take ages to get. So this is going to basically fast track your process and also allow you to get tons of free rewards. So you can see these coupons are limited in number. So this is one code per person. So to get yours, you click on this button. Now you need to unlock your personal code. Of course, 100,000 points is pretty valuable. So this prevents people from stealing millions of these points for free. So go ahead and tap unlock code, and this is going to count up to 100%. Let me just cancel this so I don't waste these codes. But basically, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your Fetch rewards points code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to complete a couple of simple tasks, and it's going to unlock your code once you've done that. These tasks can be pretty simple. If you know Fetch rewards, you probably know these sort of tasks. They can be like downloading games and whatever, guys. And once you've done that, your code will be revealed. So if you fully complete 2 of them, this code will be revealed and you can redeem it in the Fetch rewards points app. And that's going to provide you with 100,000 points for completely free. So go to Robot Coupons, guys, and just search for the Fetch page, show code, unlock code, and then make sure you complete 2 tasks fully to fully reveal your code. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.